Looking for the best ramen recipe to make at home? These easy homemade ramen bowls let you make restaurant-worthy soup in the comfort of your own kitchen. Heat the oil in a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, you'll add the garlic and onion and simmer until fragrant. Sauté the beef sukiyaki. Simmer until the beef tenders. When the beef is already tender, remove from the pan and set aside. Add the rest of the veggies you want to cook in this recipe. The mushrooms. And cook them until they soften up. While the soup simmers, cook the ramen noodles in the same pot as per the package's instructions. Let the soup simmer for about 5 minutes, then give it a taste. And add more soy sauce or sriracha if needed. This depends on how salty and spicy you want it. Add the onion leeks. Let the soup boil to cook the noodles. Mix beef sukiyaki. Give a taste to add seasonings. Crack the egg and mix while the soup is hot. Ramen is ready. Let's eat!